Ayan. Ito na naman mga katambay. Kuyang Mushroom Yu. Yan, Kenny Gang San Miguel. Luisita Robinson Covered Place. Ayan o, akin yung Kenny. For tonight, matutunghayan nyo kung sino magiging Miss Alike 2024. Ayan siya. Ayan o, ito ay Kuyang Mushroom Yu. Wow, perfect. Kaya Mr. Alike. Bala mo tutu kalisangan yata ang Kuyang Mushroom Ken. Ayan o. Ayan, nag-start na dyan ang ating mga candidates. Yan. Wearing their jeans. Jeans ba yan? Oh, hello. Shout out Jean. Ayan. Perfect. Papakilala na sila dyan. Ito yung candidate number 8 natin. Representing COE. Center of Excellence. Ayan naman. Si Kimberly. Yay. Perfect. Shout out. Kimi. Ang ating candidate number 9. Ayan sila lahat oh. Perfect. Ayan mga lords. Choose na. Sino ang bet nyong mananalo for tonight's first year Miss A 2024. Ayan. Brought to you by Alight. Ayan oh. Perfect. Ayos. Nice one, Alight. Ayan. Congrats na agad sa lahat ng mga candidates. Winner man kayong lahat. Ayan, tempore. Kayong lahat ay winner na. Perfect. Ayan, sa moment na to. May ganun. Ayan, binigyan yung Miss Congeniality ba yan? Congeniality. Ito parang lugaw. No, just joking. Kidding aside. Ayan, continue po natin. Ayan, habang umarang si ate. Ayan, binigyan ng yun. Oh, shout out kay Dan. Ayan. Next to be awarded, special award. Ayan, People Choice Award. From COE Angel. Ayan. Congrats to you, Angel. People Choice Award. And then, yan sa ating Miss Photogenic. Ano ba yung Miss Photogenic? Yung parang photo. Ayan. Congratulations na agad sa iyo kung sino ka man. Suspense. Drum roll please. Yan. The Miss Photogenic goes to candidate number 6. Wow. Perfect. Congrats na sa iyo, Maureen. Yeah. Maureen representing. Dana Liano.
May we request the lights to be temporarily turned on, please? And guys, please, all eyes on screen as we...
Ayan na. Wearing their evening gown. Maganon. Ayan, candidate number ito from hindi ko siya. Ayan po, bahala na kayo. Kuyang Mushroom Minanuya. Ayan, representing yan. Candidate number representing Nokia. Si Rowling. Ayan, perfect. Yan, red na red. Basta red. Ayan, our next candidate naman. Representing DBS. Yan, candidate number 6. Maureen. Yeah. Congrats na sa inyo yung mga katambay agad. Ayan, sa mga viewers natin dyan, mga katambayers, comment down below kung sino sa palagay nyo mananalo sa kanilang 10 lovely candidates ng Miss A 2024. Ayan, next candidate natin. Candidate number 8. Ayun, si Leslie. Representing yan. CBA. Ayan, tapos yung ating next candidate wearing pongkan si ate. Ayan perfect siya sa pongkan niya. Ayos. Ayan na, buring orange lords. Yan si Angel representing COE and then representing Marriott Hotel. Ayan, Kimi Tabor Lupa. Congrats na sa inyo mga katambay.
our panel of judges will finalize the their score per candidate, which will be tabulated by our designated tabulator members, headed by Coach Danilo Sibua.
Candidates. Miss Ala.
And to make this segment even more exciting, we actually have our very surprising, very sensational performance coming from one of our audience.
Mga videos yan.
Yes, partner, I believe we know him very well. We always look forward for her visits here in Tarlac,
Ganda
right?
po mga katambay.
Definitely. But before that, we will have another
Ito na, pipiliin na yung top 5 sa ating mga candidate. Yan. Ang ating top 5. Of course, drum roll please. Dun 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 dun. Ayan na. Ang una is si candidate number 6. Ayan na. Next to join. Ayan na, ayan na. Drum roll please. Dun 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 dun. Yan, candidate number 8. Leslie. Ayan, and then next is dun 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 dun. Oh, yes, si Angel. Candidate number 9. Wow. Congrats sa inyo. Dalawa na lang mga katambay. Ayan, next to join them, candidate number 4. Si Diane, representing DVS. Ayan, and then last but not the least, drum roll please. Din 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 din. Ayan, ayan na, candidate number 2. Ayan, si Beatrice. Ayan na.